Have you ever felt like you're meant for more? That deep down, you know you could be doing something bigger, something better. If only you had the right opportunity, well, this is your sign. Right now is the best time to change your life, to become your own boss, and to take control of your future. And with a powerful brand like Techy by your side, it's not just possible, it's easier than you think. We're living in a time of massive change. Technology is evolving. People are rethinking their careers, and more than ever, individuals are taking the leap into entrepreneurship. The question is, why not you? Inflation, job instability, and corporate burnout have pushed thousands of people to look for alternatives. And franchising is one of the smartest paths forward, but not all franchises are created equal. Techy is not just a franchise, it's a movement, a future-focused company built on the idea that technology should be accessible, repairable, and most of all, built around community. And right now, as demand for tech repair and smart home services grows, so does the opportunity to step in and own your share of that market. So why Techy? What makes this brand stand out? For starters, it's one of the fastest growing tech repair franchises in the world, with an established brand presence, proven systems, and a support team that genuinely wants you to succeed. Techy makes entrepreneurship feel doable, even if you've never owned a business before. When you become a Techy franchisee, you're stepping into a complete business model. From marketing and operations to inventory and training, they've built a system that works. So you don't have to start from scratch. You're never alone in the process. Every step of the way, Techy is behind you, guiding you, backing you, and helping you grow. Becoming your own boss might sound intimidating, but Techy makes it easy. There's a straightforward onboarding process, hands-on training, and step-by-step support to launch your location. You don't need to be a tech expert, and you don't need years of experience running a business. What you do need is the drive to succeed, the willingness to learn, and the hunger to build something for yourself. You can choose to open a physical store, operate from a kiosk, or even go mobile depending on your market. That kind of flexibility is rare, and it means you can adapt the business to fit your lifestyle. Now here's where it gets even more exciting, especially if you're watching this from outside the United States. If you've been dreaming of moving to the US and starting a new chapter, Techy can help make that dream a reality. As a qualifying business for the E2 visa, owning a Techy franchise can open the door to living and working in the United States. The E2 visa allows individuals from eligible countries to invest in and operate a business in the US, and Techy has already helped many international entrepreneurs do exactly that. Imagine not just starting your own business, but building a new life in a new country with the full support of an established brand. That's real freedom, that's real opportunity, but it's not just about the money or even the visa. It's about creating something meaningful. When you become a Techy franchisee, you're joining a community of motivated, like-minded individuals who are all working toward the same goal: to create better lives for themselves and their families. You're not just fixing phones or setting up smart homes, you're providing a valuable service, building trust in your community, and laying the foundation for long-term success. You're building a legacy. So what's stopping you? This is your chance to own a business, control your time, and unlock real freedom. Whether you're in the US or abroad, the doors are open. Techy is ready to help you take the leap. The only thing missing is you. Start your journey today, change your future, become a Techy franchise owner now.